Can you see yourself in the 2017 Chevrolet Spark? This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Spark delivers the basics you need to get from point A to point B and adds efficiency, style, connectivity, advanced safety features, and hatchback convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control. You'll be light and bright in the sprightly Spark, the personal-sized car with a playful feel. Test drive it today.